Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing an opening of this iPhone 14 Pro that just arrived. I've waited for a few weeks. I ordered it through the Apple website and can't wait to see what it looks like. So here we go. Right. Okay, oh, okay, this is what it looks like. Up here. So this is what the box looks like. And then the back. Yep. Very similar to something last year. Yeah. It's just main difference is this notch here. It's definitely like a pill-shaped cutout, which those people online were saying those rumors earlier on the year, which were almost like quite accurate actually. I find surprising. So just I'll peel off this tab. Wow, okay, so this is what the phone looks like. I got this in the new color. Well, it's called deep purple. So last year it was Sierra blue. Yeah. And inside you got obviously the phone here. And then you get the accessories like the USB to C charging cable, and then I think the insert. Still no charger block as usual, same as last year. And we'll just try and peel this off, see what it looks like. Right, so this is the screen. Don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I'll be turning this on when I have more time. I've recently been quite busy and unwell, so I had to defer that a few days. But now I have the time, so I thought, why not do this unboxing? So on the charging port, it's pretty much the same as last year. Yeah, that's the side. We've got the power button. That's the charging port there, speakers, microphone, and you got the SIM tray. Well, we eject your SIM, or up and down volume buttons, and the mute button there, the top, and then the camera lens. Camera lens is pretty much similar to last year as well. Looks very similar. I think the only difference is probably performance-wise, they have a better chip. You know, obviously that's what Apple says. And then that pill-shaped cutout there, you can't really see it there, but when you turn it on, you'll be able to see like the difference between that small notch and now the pill shape. You know, that's what they call it. Yeah. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. You know, and I'll see you again soon, which will include me showing my cases and my screen protector that I decided to get for this phone. Okay, we'll see you soon.